To get started using GitHub Copilot Coding Agent with Jira, install the GitHub Copilot for Jira app from the Jira Marketplace. Here we have a Jira issue describing a new feature, which includes labels, a parent epic, and clearly defined acceptance criteria. To initiate implementation, assign the issue to GitHub Copilot. Once assigned, Copilot analyzes the structured context of the issue, including the title, description, labels, acceptance criteria, and parent epic, deploying to the specified repository. Copilot then creates a new branch in GitHub, opens a draft pull request to begin the implementation. As it works, Copilot incrementally updates the branch and the pull request, allowing your team to observe progress and provide feedback early. Because all development activity takes place natively within GitHub, Copilot operates inside your existing control framework, not outside of it. Your established engineering guardrails remain fully enforced. Required status checks, including GitHub Actions, must succeed before merge. Mandatory reviews defined in code owners are automatically applied. Branch protection rules continue to control how and when changes are merged. This ensures Copilot operates within your existing compliance, audit, and change management frameworks, not outside of them. GitHub Copilot transforms Jira issues into working code by generating draft pull requests directly inside your GitHub workflow. It enables teams to move from planning to implementation even faster, while preserving the human review, governance, and quality controls enterprises depend on.